23-year-old Shania Smith, a former student of the Old Harbor High School, was pursuing her education in the US when she was fatally shot in the head, allegedly by her ex-boyfriend, Kyrie Shash, in Lithonia, Georgia. In the town of Old Harbor, St. Catherine, Jamaica, a wave of mourning has swept through the community following the tragic death of a beloved local, Shania Smith, affectionately known as Nene. Details surrounding the incident remain incomplete, but according to reports from Fox 5 Atlanta, the shooting occurred on Field Drive and Chop Lane in Lithonia shortly before 3 p.m. on Saturday. Neighbors told Fox 5 they heard a single gunshot Saturday afternoon. DeKalb County Police have characterized the event as a case of domestic violence. According to reports, Smith had ended the relationship with the suspect, but reports suggest he continued pursuing her. In an interview with the Jamaica Observer, Smith's mother shared that during the Easter holiday, her daughter had hinted that there was some tension in the relationship. However, she said there was nothing to suggest it would escalate. Shash had allegedly called Smith's mother after he shot her. As of Sunday afternoon, Shash has not been apprehended by the DeKalb County Police. News emerged lately Saturday that Smith succumbed to her injury. Social media has since been flooded with tribute for the young woman. On Smith's Facebook page, in particular, relatives and friends have been expressing their sadness at her tragic death. We were robbed of your life today, Shania Smith. You're the epitome of what a daughter, niece, aunt, cousin, and a friend should be, wrote an aunt of the deceased. I don't know how we will go on without you. If only RIP meant return if possible. Pain in every language, she said. Meanwhile, there were more tributes for Smith on Instagram. How can you say you love someone? Quote, these are people talking now, like comments. How can you say you love someone for so many years and then just kill them? Nene, you didn't deserve this death. You had your whole life ahead of you. I'm still in denial to the sweetest short girl I know. Rest well, Nene. And you don't know, the tribute just kept on pouring out. But, my people, you see what I talk about? This is a case of domestic violence. Why can't ones and ones walk away from their significant other whenever they have an argument or when one said it's over? Just know that it's done. What's wrong with mankind? It's like they have this persona to say, yo, if I can't get you, nobody else will. So Shania was in a situation like this, and this crazy guy just take her life like that, man. The girl have a bright future ahead of her, bright future, and it was just snatched away. Just through what? Love? So why does love have to hurt? Why love have to hurt? If love's so nice, tell me why it hurts so bad. Huh? Why? Bro, you have the girl leave you, my youth, and don't want your brother. If you want somebody if you can kill, go and do that to yourself, bro. Get rid of yourself and leave the people in pitney. Make she prevail upon earth. She's young. She just come, she didn't even start going her adulthood as yet. Because when you reach 25, that's when the brain start register as an adult. You start open up you start warming up differently to some situation and reality. So she wasn't even in her adulthood. She didn't even reach her peak as yet. And this youth snatch away the girl life. Waste man. Waste man this man. My condolences goes out to the family, man. Just wanna hold it, man. I know it rough. Wanna hold it. Mama, me no know how it feel for your loss a youth, but why me can't feel your pain, mama. Jaja. Until then, Rasla.